Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into TransUnion's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss TransUnion's performance, especially given their strong results this quarter.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TransUnion reported a total revenue of $170 million for the third quarter of 2025, marking an 8% increase compared to the same period last year. John, what are your thoughts on this revenue growth?
TransUnion's revenue growth is impressive, especially considering the 11% organic constant currency growth, excluding last year's large breach remediation win. This indicates strong underlying business performance, particularly in U.S. financial services and emerging verticals, which saw growth rates of 19% and 7.5%, respectively.
And what about profitability?
Net income attributable to TransUnion was $97 million, up from $68 million in the previous year. The adjusted earnings per share came in at 110 cents, surpassing the forecasted EPS of 90 cents. This reflects effective cost management and operational efficiencies.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. TransUnion's adjusted EBITDA for the quarter was $425 million, with a margin of 36.3%. How does this compare to their historical performance?
The adjusted EBITDA margin remains stable at 36.3%, indicating consistent operational efficiency. The company has also accelerated its share repurchase program with $200 million repurchased year-to-date and increased authorization up to $1 billion, which is a strong signal of confidence in their financial health.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from TransUnion?
TransUnion has raised its 2025 financial guidance, now expecting 8 to 8.5% revenue growth. This is supported by their third quarter outperformance and stable U.S. lending trends. The company is well-positioned to continue its growth trajectory.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, can you break down the performance across TransUnion's segments?
Absolutely. U.S. financial services led the charge with a 19% growth, driven by strong demand for credit solutions. Emerging verticals also performed well with a 7.5% increase. Internationally, TransUnion saw a 6% organic constant currency growth, with notable double-digit growth in the UK, Canada, and Africa.
How has the acquisition of Monevo impacted their results?
The acquisition of Monevo has been beneficial, particularly in the consumer interactive segment, despite a reported decline. It has contributed to the overall growth and is expected to provide long-term strategic advantages.
CEO insights and strategic vision. Chris Cartwright, TransUnion's CEO, has been vocal about the company's strategic direction. What insights did he share in this report?
Chris Cartwright emphasized the company's strong earnings growth and improving free cash flow, which positions them to accelerate capital returns to shareholders. He highlighted the increased share repurchase authorization to $1 billion as a testament to their commitment to shareholder value.
What about their strategic vision?
TransUnion is focused on leveraging technology investments to enhance their product offerings and operational efficiencies. This includes their ongoing cloud migration and technology infrastructure improvements, which are expected to drive future growth and innovation.
Key takeaways. In summary, TransUnion has delivered a strong performance in the third quarter of 2025, with significant revenue growth and profitability improvements. Their strategic initiatives and increased share repurchase authorization highlight their commitment to shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
TransUnion's robust financial health and strategic focus on technology and shareholder returns make it an attractive investment prospect. Their ability to exceed expectations consistently is commendable.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TransUnion's performance in the comments below.